So in terms of my career, I've learnt loads of different things over the last sort of, I say 20 years. It makes me feel really old kind of sitting here. But 20 years has made me really think about what future businesses need. And they need a whole combination of things. They need collaborators, they need instigators, they need decision makers. And that's what we as HR professionals are here to do. We're here to tap in and realise people's dreams. So who doesn't want to do that type of job? I think that's a real privilege and something that I've really taken from when I was a programme maker to now sitting here in front of you as a head of talent management at TalkTalk. The most important thing is to not be selling me something. Live by what you've delivered, and then if you've delivered really well and we get good recommendations from the business, then we're more likely to do work with you. But don't go in thinking that you're going to sell me the Titanic, or you're going to sell me a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Just deliver, because that's what we're paying you to do. I think technology is always a challenge. I think sometimes some of the kind of commercial skills and understanding that the deep-seated P&L experience can be quite tough. But I think it's like in any business, we're a business of knowledge workers. So therefore, I don't think it's any more difficult. I think there are pockets that are always challenging, but that's the exciting part. And that changes year on year, depending on our direction. So I know for the next 3 years that we are building an online community, and that all of our, we've got a strategic priority called Brilliant Self-Service. And the other challenge is getting value from our data, which is going to be about, thinking about business analysts and program leads, and that's traditionally a contractor market. So how do we make ourselves attractive to that market, and how do we build talent pools and communities and pipelines that enable us to build a core of people that want to work with us? And whether that's working for us for 6 months and going off and working for somebody else, then that's absolutely fine. That's exactly the way that we should be viewing our talent base going forward.